In this video, you'll learn how to add someone to a Slack conversation so you can collaborate more effectively with your team. This process will help you ensure that everyone is included in important discussions. Begin by opening the Slack application. You can either launch the Slack desktop app or open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Slack website. It is important to ensure that you are logged into your specific workspace to access your channels. Once you are inside Slack, locate the left sidebar. Here, you will see various options including direct messages and channels. Click on the option labeled Channels. This action will display a list of all the channels you are currently part of, providing an overview of your conversations. Next, identify the channel where you would like to add someone. Click on the name of the channel to open the conversation. Make sure that you have selected the correct channel, as this will be the conversation that the new member will join. After opening the channel, look towards the top of the channel interface for the option to invite people. This option is typically labeled as Invite Teammates and may also be found within the channel settings. Click on this option to initiate the invitation process. A message may appear informing you that anyone you add will have access to the channel's history, which includes previous messages and shared files. It is essential to review this information carefully. Afterward, click on Continue to move forward with the invitation process. On the next screen, you will see an option labeled Add People To. In the field provided, type the name or email address of the person you wish to invite. As you type, Slack will suggest users based on your input. Once you have selected the correct individual, click on Done to send the invitation. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the person has been successfully added to the channel. This confirmation ensures that you can now collaborate with the new member within the conversation. If you wish to practice adding someone to a Slack conversation yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.